Absolutely gorgeous day, guys. Gotta take advantage of this weather. Look at all the whips, guys. All these vehicles looking like a used car sale lot right now. It's been a while since I have filmed wrenching with this car, but just want to show you guys some progress that I made. Currently working on tearing this thing down. I am almost done. I haven't been filming the process, guys, just because I've been trying to get a lot of work done on this thing. I wanted to film something for you guys just so I have memory for this car. Let me show you guys the massive hole. All right, bam, look at that right there, guys, right through the bottom of the block. There's a hole there, right there, and then there's a hole on the inside. But right now I'm working on getting this assembly off. I just pulled off the we have the thermostat and some of the coolant housing or whatnot. I am gonna miss this thing. I pretty much got everything organized. I got a company that's coming to grab it. Oh, I was able to get, these are dope too. Oh my god, I even miss sitting in this thing, guys. I miss sitting in this car. But I have I was able to get the knock sensor off the k24 without breaking it, so that's gonna save me money. And then this O2 sensor, the upstream one, I was able to get off, and it's still in decent condition. So I am just literally gonna reuse this because these are like 100, I don't know, 100 plus, I think, on Rock Auto. All my parts, sensors, I got my spool valve in there. This is for like fuel lines, and I picked up another Z3 transmission, so I'm currently working on taking this one off. Once I get this off, I am gonna sell this one, guys. The transmission still works perfectly fine, so definitely hit me up down below if you guys are in like Connecticut, Mass, kind of anywhere within like near Connecticut. I'm looking to sell that transmission, so hit me up. We can work on talking on a price. I want it to go to good hands. I don't need 2 trannies, so I'm willing to let this go for a, you know, reasonable price. They are creeping in value. I have an idea of what they're going for, so like I said, just hit me up down below. But other than that, guys, this accessory's coming off. I'm leaving the head on. The block is obviously shot. Take the tranny. I got to get the axles off. The axles are coming off once, and then with these wheels, I'm swapping these wheels out with my other XXRs. So just working some progress, guys. I got the full exhaust. The whole exhaust is still on. I actually have to go to Harbor Freight. One of these exhaust bolts is stripped where the exhaust meets the header, so I got to cut it, the one in the bottom. But the header is staying on too, guys, because as you guys know, well, for those of you who don't know, it is super old, and there is a crack on it, so I'm just kind of leaving it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I disconnected my slave earlier, my slave cylinder. I'm gonna take out the slave. I'm not gonna reuse the slave, but I'm gonna reuse this the stainless steel line. And then I'm gonna reuse my K2 and CMC because it's still new, guys. It has like, probably has like under 40K miles on it. So all right, guys, so right now, real quick, I'm just working on the trans. I'm trying to get this last locking pin, or whatever you want to call it, out, so I can release this shift linkage right here. You guys can see I freed up this shift linkage right here, so I'm just kind of working my way on this. I sprayed WD-40 in it, but this thing is literally not budging. It's like, it's being hard. I've been doing like, you know, 2 hours, maybe 2-3 hours here and there, you know, a couple days in a row to tear this thing down. I think I've been working on it for like, I don't know, probably like 4 days, couple hours each day, so nothing too crazy. I'm not like killing myself out here because I have time now. So But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Remember, never stop wrenching. So you get behind it and you just kind of pry up on one side with a flathead, work your way in the middle. All right, linkage is free. Just set it off to the side, and then all I have to do now is get this wiring, wrap it around the back of that bracket right there, and then I'll be able to take the whole harness and move it out of the way so I have way more room. All right guys, harness should come out. I just got everything disconnected. There it is, complete harness for the sensors.